Today we are making Nui Xao Bo.
This is another dish that ties Vietnamese cuisine to French cuisine. The pasta, which we call nui, derived from the French nouille. However, we made this dish our own by dressing it with our own seasoning and umami flavors. I don't have a wok, so I'm using a different method to combine a big batch.
Alright, I got all my ingredients prepped. Today we are using beef flank steak. You can use New York steak, ribeye steak. As for veggies, so I got some gailan, tomatoes. So we got the green onions and onion heads cut to length. I don't have any white onion on hand, so I am using shallot quarters instead. And of course, we got our minced garlic and shallots. And of course, we're gonna need some pasta. These are already cooked since yesterday, so some leftover pasta. So what I like to do is marinate our meat. That way it won't overcook while we try to season it in the pan. Minced garlic, minced shallot, black pepper, a couple teaspoons of chicken granulate, about a teaspoon of oyster sauce, a couple teaspoons of sugar, and some fish sauce. And about a teaspoon of 5-spice powder. A little bit of oil to keep it all moist. All right, let this marinate for about 30 minutes. And next, let's make our stir-fry sauce. Oyster sauce, about a couple teaspoons of chicken granulate, a couple teaspoons of sugar, black pepper, soy sauce or seasoning sauce, a couple tablespoons, and a little bit of dark soy sauce for color, just so it can be dark. Shallots, some garlic. Just a little bit of water just so it can mellow out a little bit. Won't be too salty. And we got our stir-fry sauce. So since I don't have a big wok to do this big batch in, we're doing it in two parts. The first is to stir-fry our beef and veggies together. And the second part is stir frying our pasta with our sauce. And afterward, we're going to toss both of them in a big bowl. That way our beef won't be overcooked and we'll have a big batch using a small pan.